Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your driver's license in Louisiana. So first head over to expresslane.org, then hover your mouse on drivers, then personal driver's licenses, then click on new licenses. Now here you can see the steps and guidelines and information that you need to know in getting your new license. And the first step is getting your temporary instructional permit or TIP. So basically, you just have to go to an office of motor vehicles for a Class E temporary instructional permit, and you need this document for issuance of a temporary instructional permit or TIP. And that includes proof of identification, so it could be a valid government ID. You also need your proof of residency, verification of your social security number, and that includes social security card, W-2 form, or a printout from the Social Security Administration verifying the number. And you must also present one additional form of identification, such as a photo work ID, high school diploma, insurance card, and etc. And here you can see the additional requirements for applicants 17 years and under. At the right corner of your screen, you can also see the fee for each license that you need to get. So, Class E licenses expire on your birthday in approximately 6 years from the date of issuance. That is $32.25 for the basic license fee until age 69, then $18.75 for the license fee for applicants age 70 and older, and a service fee of up to $8 may be accessed at certain field offices. Then, after the temporary instructional permit or TIP, the next permit you have to get is learner's permit. You must possess a temporary instructional permit and complete all required testing before becoming eligible for issuance of a learner's permit. So to get learner's permit, the required knowledge and skills tests are administered by the driver education provider, and 80% is the minimum passing score for the knowledge test. And if the applicant does not have a good understanding of the written English language, they may bring a translator to assist with any class knowledge written test except CDL. And also, you're going to need to go through a vision test, and you must have a 20/40 vision in one or both eyes to pass. Now, lastly, to obtain your full license, you must be at least 17 years of age and you must pass the vision, knowledge, written test, and road skills test to be issued a full license. And all male applicants between the ages 15 and 26 who are U.S. citizens will automatically be registered with the U.S. Selective Service System upon issuance of any credential by the LA Office of Motor Vehicles. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!